Pick up the Sonoma Sunset Metallic 2007 Nissan Altima, available today. Featuring variable transmission, it has 68,526 miles. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact us and get behind the wheel today.